Hey everybody, today I'm going to be starting some basil seeds and also just some other herb seeds in my biodome. I know it may seem a little bit early to be doing some seed starting like that, especially for basil, but these are actually going to be going into our sunroom. My husband is actually, as we speak, working on building me a new raised bed for our outside sunroom area. Outside, inside kind of, but I'm super excited to plant out a bunch of different herbs right there because it's right next to our grill that we have and then also right next to the kitchen. So we'll have easy access to herbs no matter where we want them to cook. So I am going to get a whole bunch of the ones that we use commonly started today by seed, and then I actually already have a few propagated as well. I'll link to how I did that down below if you guys are interested in following along with the propagation journey as well. So starting seeds in the biodome is super simple. Really, all I do is just take one seed and put it into that sponge right here. It is extremely easy because of the amazing environment that this biodome creates. It has a fantastic germination rate, and I only ever put just one seed in each hole, and I have nearly a 100% germination rate, which is absolutely amazing. I love it. So now after I have put one seed in each hole, I'm going to go through and label each row that I have. I want to make sure that I keep them straight, and that way I know exactly what I'm growing in each area out there. I like to have a different variety of tastes and look, all of that. It's going to look super pretty as well as be extremely tasty. I'm going to keep this dome right here on the top of this tray while these seeds are germinating. And then once they start to germinate, I'm going to slowly open up these vents right here just to allow a little bit more air circulation. And then I'm going to remove it so that way I can lower my grow lights to be directly on top of those little baby seedlings that are starting to sprout up, because I want to make sure that they get plenty of light and that they don't become leggy at all or anything like that. So I'm going to put the grow light just directly right above them as soon as they sprout. And now that I got all of them planted out, I'm going to go through on our From Seed to Spoon app and into my garden, and I'm going to actually create a new garden because I don't have any plants yet in my sunroom garden. So I'm going to create my sunroom garden, and then I am going to go through and mark that I planted these by seed today. So that way it'll give me estimated germination times as well as when I can probably start to harvest them. Thank you all for watching today. If you all have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section and I will get back with you. Make sure if you're not already subscribed that you subscribe to our channel so that way you can follow along with us as I plant out our new garden area in our sunroom. I am really excited for it.